Good morning, all students. Welcome again to all of you. Students, according to your syllabus, today is the grammar class. So, students, the first topic of your syllabus is sentence. Students, we will study about sentence, kinds of sentence, and describe kinds of sentences. So, students, first of all, we know that what is sentence. Sentence is a group of words that make complete sense, that is called sentence. वर्ड्स का एक ऐसा ग्रुप जो कंप्लीट सेंस देता है उसी को सेंटेंस बोलते हैं. अगर वर्ड्स का ग्रुप है और कंप्लीट सेंस नहीं दे रहा है, इट मीन्स दिस इज नॉट अ सेंटेंस. अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड दैट मेक सेंस बट नॉट कंप्लीट, दैट इज नॉट सेंटेंस, दैट विल बी फ्रेज. सो स्टूडेंट्स, definition is a group of words that make complete sense is called sentence. Example: Mohan reads book daily. Students, these are group of words. First word is Mohan reads book daily. These are words, but this group of words does not give us any sense, so you can say this is not a sentence. If we put these words in a proper sequence and give us a sense, complete sense, then these group of words will be sentence. Such type: Mohan reads a book daily. So students, जैसा कि आपने देखा कि ऊपर एक वर्ड्स का ग्रुप लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन इसका कोई सेंस नहीं है. अगर सेंस नहीं है तो वो सेंटेंस भी नहीं है. इसी को, इन्हीं वर्ड्स के ग्रुप को एक प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस में लिखने के बाद जो सेंटेंस बनता है, मोहन रीड्स अ बुक डेली, ये जो वर्ड्स ऑफ ग्रुप है एक प्रॉपर सेंस दे रहा है, कंप्लीट सेंस दे रहा है. सो दिस इज अ सेंटेंस. नाउ वी डिस्कस काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंस. Kinds of sentence. How many kinds of sentence? You know that there are 5 kinds of sentence. First one is assertive sentence. Second one is interrogative sentence. Third one is imperative sentence. Fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. And Last one is optative sentence. Optative sentence. These are 5 kinds of sentence. Now we will discuss about what is assertive sentence, what is interrogative sentence, what is imperative sentence, what is exclamatory sentence, and what is optative sentences. So students, look at the board carefully. First of all, we discuss about assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? Assertive sentence, when we accept or refuse any fact, that sentence will be assertive sentence. किसी भी चीज़ को अगर हम एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं या रिफ्यूज कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पर हमारा assertive sentences होगा. When we accept any fact, that will be affirmative sentence, and when we refuse any fact, then that will be नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. इसीलिए असर्टिव सेंटेंस के 2 पार्ट्स आपको बताए गए, अफर्मेटिव, नेगेटिव. जब किसी फैक्ट को एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं वो अफर्मेटिव होता है, और जब किसी भी फैक्ट को रिफ्यूज़ कर देते हैं, मना कर देते हैं, वहाँ पर आपका इंटेरोगेटिव होता है. जैसे स्टूडेंट देखते हैं, व्हेन वी एक्सेप्ट or refuse any fact, that is assertive sentence. That is assertive sentence. One is affirmative and second one is negative. Affirmative sentence is that when we accept any fact, that will be affirmative. When we refuse any fact, that will be negative sentence. Example, I have done this work. We accept this fact that I have done this work. So it is affirmative sentence. And when we write down I haven't done this work, it means we refuse the given fact. So it will be negative sentence. There is a minor difference in affirmative and negative sentence. When we accept fact, then assert affirmative. When we refuse fact, then will be negative. When we refuse any fact, the word negative word not, no are used. In affirmative, there is no any negation word are used. Now students, we will discuss about interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are those sentences with the help of these we ask any question. So students, interrogative sentence. When we use any sentence to ask question, that will be interrogative sentences. These are also 2 types interrogative sentences. First one is yes or no type, and second one is WS type. यस और नो टाइप ऐसे सेंटेंसेस जिससे हम यस और नो में आंसर चाहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, आर यू फीलिंग वेल? This is interrogative sentence. Mark of interrogation is important in the last of end of the sentence, and these sentences start with the helping verb. So, by these sentences we answer yes or no. In yes or no. Are you feeling well? When you answer this question, you will answer in yes or no. So these sentences are called yes or no type questions. WS type, what are you doing? When sentence start from WH, what, when, why, where, such type sentences are called WH type questions. So students, I hope you will understand what are interrogative sentences. Now we will discuss about imperative sentences. So students, pay attention. Imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are those sentences who express command, request, advice, or order. These sentences start with the first form of the verb, and at the end of sentence we use full stop. If request is showing, the sentence will start with please, sir, kindly. Students, the sentences those express command. Which command? Request, advice, or order. These sentences are called imperative sentences. Example, do this work. These sentences start with the first form of the verb and end with the full stop. By these sentences, you have to order that do this work. Or you can say, please give me a glass of water. By this sentence, you are requested to give me a glass of water. Now, we will discuss about exclamatory sentence. Students, what is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentences are those which express sudden feeling. Exclamatory sentences express sudden feeling. Just as, oh, I am going. If any वर्क, जब कोई ऐसा कभी काम हो जाए इसके बारे में कुछ सोचते नहीं कि क्या करना है. जैसे मान लो ये चाक गिर गई, अरे ये गिर गई, या मैं सोचा नहीं था कि चाक गिरेगी तो हम बोलेंगे. लेकिन ये समय के साथ किसी घटना के साथ अपने आप निकल आते हैं. इनमें जैसे हुर्रे, हुज्जा, एलॉस, ओ, आ, such type of sentences express feeling, sudden feeling. Hurre, huzzah express feeling of happiness. Alas, express feeling of sadness. So, such type of sentences express sudden feeling. The sentences express sudden feeling, that is exclamatory sentence. Example: alas, I am ruined. Hooray, we have won the match. Such type of sentences are called exclamatory sentence. There is a identification of exclamatory sentences. Interjection are used. After interjection, mark of exclamation is also used. इनके बाद मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन का यूज जरूर होता है. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट ऑपरेटिव सेंटेंसेस. व्हाट आर ऑपरेटिव सेंटेंसेस? हाउ वी अंडरस्टैंड दीज सेंटेंसेस आर ऑपरेटिव सेंटेंसेस? Operative sentences are those who operative sentences are those express, pray, wish or pray for a long time. Such type of sentences is called operative sentences. Operative sentences. Operative sentences are those the sentences express, wish, pray, curse, etc. These sentences are called operative sentences. These sentences are called operative sentences. Example: God bless you. God bless you. Mark of exclamation used after the sentence. May you live long. God prosper your journey. Such type of sentences are called operative sentences. So students, this session has been over. In the next session, I will discuss new topic. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of you and your family.